Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make cake bite cones. Delicious. Mix together some leftover cake with orange jam and cream cheese frosting. This makes your cake ball dough. Scoop some out and roll it into a ball. Pop in a stick and dip in melted chocolate and white chocolate. Next, get your ice cream cone, dip it in melted white chocolate, and then coat it in rainbow sprinkles. Now get your set cake ball, remove the stick, and use melted chocolate as glue to stick it on top of the cone. Now decorate with more melted chocolate and sprinkles. And there you have it, cake bite cones. Enjoy!